Hello everyone, how about making some pickle today? I have some extra green chilies as I don't use too many in my cooking. Before they become stale, I thought let me make some pickle with them. So this pickle actually is really very handy. Apart from using it as a pickle, I also use it in my day-to-day cooking. If I run out of chilies, I take out some from this and spice up my curries and many other dishes also. So shall we get started and make this simple, easy peasy chili pickle. Here we have taken green chilies 150 grams, oil 5 to 6 tablespoons. You can use any cooking oil. Vinegar 2 tablespoons, salt as needed, pickle spice mix 2 tablespoons. Take mustard seeds, cumin seeds, methi seeds, fennel seeds and kalonji in equal quantities, about 1 teaspoon each. Kashmiri chilli powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon. You can also refer to the ingredients list in the description box. Wash the green chilies well and wipe them nicely with a kitchen towel. Now remove the stems and cut them into 2 halves. If they are smaller, you can just leave them entire, whole. You can also give a slit. This way the spices and the oil will seep into them nicely. Now all the chilies are done. Keep a pan on the gas, small pan, and dry roast the pickle spices until they become aromatic. Stir continuously so that they get roasted evenly. Now set them aside. After cooling, put them into the grinder and grind them coarsely. Look at the texture, this is how it should be. Now place the pan again and pour oil into it. Heat it to a smoking point. Switch off the flame and let it cool. Meanwhile, let's do the mixing. Transfer the chilies into a wider dish. Add about 2 tablespoons of pickle spice mix. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder for color. Salt about 3/4 teaspoon or as needed. Next goes in the vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. You can use any one that you have at home. Give it a nice mix. Always use a plastic or a wooden spoon for this. For pickles, you should never use a metal spoon. This is a tip. Now pour the cooled oil into the pickle and mix it. Take a clean, dry, sterilized jar and transfer the pickle into it. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do subscribe to the channel, like it, and click the bell icon and choose all option from the drop down menu so that you don't miss out any notification whenever I post a new video. Now the pickle is all transferred into the jar. Lovely. This will be ready in a couple of days. You can leave it out or refrigerate it. Thank you friends for all your support and watching this video. Check out my old videos from the archives as well. Take care.